Transformation is a term that's thrown around quite a bit. So let's get clear on what exactly it is. Transformation is moving out of an old and into a new completely. A metamorphosis from going from A to B. That requires a whole lot of brain synapses firing and wiring together. Now, this also requires emotional context and a person, whether that be somebody else or yourself, to guide you through out of the old and into the new. Now, one of the 3 signs that you're on the precipice of an opportunity to transform is that it really hurts. On a scale of 1 to 10, the discomfort level to you, whether it's emotionally or physically, is a 6 and above. There's got to be an urgency to face the fire that growth and transformation requires of you. So in order to reach and achieve long-lasting transformation, you need 3 things. So you need 1, pain. Okay, I think you got to have that urgency to change. 2, there needs to be a deep insight, an understanding of the root. That's the blind spot. And 3, integrated tools to help you weave into your everyday life. If not, you're learning about yourself. You're becoming very self-aware, which is important, right? It's important to growth. But in order to have real, integrated transformation in the emotional context, attached to a person or a situation, you need those 3 key things. So sometimes you need an experienced professional that does this all day long to help you walk through your transformation. Because on the other side of your transformation is exhilaration and honestly a deep sense of relief that you're on the other side of your transformation. My name is Natalia Griffin. I'm a board certified hypnotherapist. You can follow me for more.